Hi guys, so in today's video, I am very excited to do the unboxings of the GoPro Hero 6. And at the end of the video, I will tell you the reason why I chose the GoPro Hero 6 over the Fusion, which is supposed to be bought in 2018. Well, as you know what the GoPro Hero 6 is capable of, now let me review a little bit about my GoPro Hero 6. As you know, GoPro Hero 6 comes with 12 megapixels, which can take the photo up to 30 frames per second. In addition to this, it has the ability to film the video up to 4K resolution with 60 frames per second. And it is also equipped with very advanced video stabilization. And in addition to this, the GoPro Hero 6 can go underwater up to 10 meters without having a case. Okay, so without further delay, let's get inside the box. Well, this is the three-way tripod which is given alongside my GoPro Hero 6. It's claimed to cost $65, but it was given for free when I bought my GoPro Hero 6. Oh my god. So as the name suggests, the three-way tripod, yes, it does do its job. Okay, so now it's time to get to look at inside the box of the GoPro Hero 6. As you can see, it looks premium and it is very beautifully wrapped inside the box, the glass box. Okay, so now let's get to see what's inside this box. Okay, so one more thing that you need to remember is these logos. So as you can see these pictures on the other side of the box, you can see the first picture is the GoPro, the camera. The next one is the cover mount, which can be used to mount or to protect your camera, as well as to help mount your camera on different tripods. And also you can see the battery, the screw, the other accessories which can be used to mount on the other tripods. And last but not least is USB charger. Okay, so now let's peer this out. Well, look at these, guys. It looks very nice and premium, very classic. It's like a trophy, right? It looks awesome. And the GoPro is stuck tightly on the box. And as you can see, this is a manual, a very basic manual, which can help you to understand how to use all of the accessories given in the box. And this is the stickers, the GoPro logo stickers, which you can use to stick on your other devices or any part of your equipment that you like to have this logo on. This is another manual which can help you to understand more on your GoPro. Okay, so as you can see, this is the battery of the GoPro. It is small and I think it is powerful. Okay, so this is one of the mounts which you can use to put on your helmet or any other flat surface. So you can mount your GoPro there. This is another mount which you can use, okay, to mount to stick on any other curve, a bit curved surface. And this is the USB Type C, which is found in the box. Okay, you can also use other USB Type C that you have. Okay, so this is how to unlock your GoPro from the box. It took me around 5 minutes to figure out how to take my GoPro out of this stand. Okay, so this is a GoPro. And let's get started. How to get it started? Okay, let's watch. Okay, so now let's get into why I chose the GoPro Hero 6 over the Fusion. Well, the first biggest reason is the price. GoPro Hero 6 cost $400 while the Fusion cost $800. So with $400 plus over the Hero 6, I think I can use to buy other equipment for my GoPro Hero 6. Reason number 2 is the transferring files from your GoPro to the smartphone. Well, as you know, the GoPro Hero 6 comes with 12 megapixels and it has the ability to capture video in 4K resolution, while the Fusion has the 18 megapixels and it has the ability to capture the 5K resolution video. And the thing is, from time to time, when I transfer my files from my GoPro Hero 6 to my smartphone, it takes me around 20 to 30 minutes to transfer the videos. Just like 5 to 10 videos, it takes around 20 minutes already. So imagine with the 5K resolution with 18 megapixels from Fusion, how many hours do you have to wait to transfer the files from your Fusion to your smartphone? Reason number 3. I love GoPro Hero 6 because the touch display. Touch display allows me to see what is being used in my GoPro. In addition to this, it is very convenient for me to adjust the setting from, for example, the mode from photo to video, from video to time-lapse. While the Fusion has no touch display, so what you have to do is to connect your smart device with your Fusion all the time if you want to adjust the setting. Well, I admit that the Fusion can capture 360 degrees, so you don't have to adjust the setting, you just do it right away, so you can edit it later as you wish. But the problem is that it will add extra hour for me to work on those kind of stuff, because 360 degree video will give me a headache. Well, I know that the Fusion has the ability to capture spherical capture, which is very great. As I mentioned earlier, it's great, but the problem is that I will spend more and more time on editing the video. For example, if I take 1 hour's video and imagine what happens. 1 hour recording and probably 5 more hours editing just to select the part that I want to have from the Fusion. Reason number 4. GoPro Hero 6 is usable with the camera drone, which is not accessible with the Fusion. And with the camera drone, it's very awesome because you just buy GoPro Hero 6, you don't have to buy a completely new drone which has another camera. It means that you can use your GoPro as the camera for your drone. And the drone doesn't cost much. That is why, as I mentioned earlier, the first top reason is because of the price. I can save $400 more, so I can use it to buy the camera drone. Reason number 5. Both devices has the ability of going underwater up to certain meters. However, for the GoPro Hero 6, it can go deeper. which is 10 meters, while the Fusion can only go up to 5 meters. And another reason is they both have the voice control, so why not going for the GoPro Hero 6 if this kind of capability are equipped inside of both devices. And they both have wake up on voice, and also they are equipped with the video stabilization, and most importantly they both have equipped with the supercharger capability, which means you can charge them fast enough so that you can continue filming other missing stories. Okay, so it seemed to be all, guys. So if you have any other reasons to add why you chose the opposite, please let me know in the comment down below. And you can also check the GoPro Hero 6 video quality that I captures at night time at the supermarket, so you can test the quality between the GoPro Hero 6 and Fusion. If you want to see it, please don't forget to click on the video. Thank you very much for spending so much time on watching this video. Please help subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Thank you.